this video, I think I'm just gonna do a blue themed house because I'm bored and I don't know what to do and my house got reset. So I guess you guys just can watch me speed build for this one. It's quite boring, honestly. You guys can use all the designs here. I'm not taking any credit for these. It's fine, and yeah, I guess, I don't know. this is the final house tour. I hope you guys enjoy. So here I just have a little outside area, I guess. I'm not really sure what this is for. It's probably gonna be like a school or kindergarten. It's just all blue, I guess. Over here we have like a little chill fireplace area and a sofa. Then I have this little sink area, which I think turned out really cute for like toddlers to wash their hands, because that's what kindergartens usually have. And then here's the table and some shelving and some place for the kids to play and a proper bathroom. Okay, I'd only use the bottom floor for the modern mansion. So if you guys have any ideas or stuff that you want me to put on the second floor, then please comment it down below. So yeah, that's all for this video. Bye!